everyone, Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk. Thank you ever so much for joining me today. Just a really quick video to share with you that the brand new Stampin' Up! Trimmer is available from the 1st of November. I've had quite a number of customers ask me already to put them on a list for ordering this, so I will be ordering for those people that have asked me, as soon as it goes live. Stroke in the morning. But you can visit my online store and order this. I believe it goes live between 11 PM and midnight, but they did say the 1st of November, so I will be waiting till the 1st. We've been reassured that there's plenty of stock, so it shouldn't run short. We shouldn't sell out. There should be plenty to go around. It is a lovely trimmer. It is very nice for the money. It does cut beautifully, and I will say that the blade that comes with the trimmer will last you a good long while. It is far superior to the blades that we had before, which is the whole reason Stampin' Up! Have changed the trimmer. We weren't happy with the blades. A lot of people didn't like them, and so we have an upgraded version, and these blades are far superior. They are bigger, they are sharper, there's more surface area. It's just a better blade, and I've used mine now for a good while, and I've done lots and lots of cutting. I've cut cardstock, I've cut paper, I've cut all sorts, to try it out and see what it's like, and I've had no furry edges, I've had no gathering up of paper. It just cuts like a hot knife through butter. It really is really lovely to use, I will say. So if you're fancying one of these, they will be available from the 1st of November. Just follow the links in the description box below to my online store, and it will be there ready for you to order. I'll just add while I'm here, to those of you that follow me regular, I'm sorry that there's been a bit of a lull in my Stampin' Up! Videos over the last 2 weeks. I've actually started a brand new job. I'm absolutely loving it. I love the challenge. I've worked from home for many years, so that I could stay home with my daughter who actually reaches her teens in March, and so I've taken the decision to go back into the world of work and re-enter the rat race, as it were, and get myself back out there and meet some new challenges and things like that. So my job is still within sales. It's absolutely nothing to do with crafting, completely and utterly nothing to do with it, but I'm absolutely loving it. It does mean that I'm going to have to readjust my schedule so that I've got time to do my crafty videos. So there may well be a bit few and far between until I get my schedule sorted out and get used to having to go out to work instead of sitting home crafting in my dressing gown and PJs all day. It's a bit of a culture shock. But I'm still here. I am still very much doing my Stampin' Up. I do love Stampin' Up. I love my team especially. So I'm still around. Just bear with me. And also I'm putting up other videos of my other crafty interests as well. So do take a look at those. I don't only do Stampin' Up. I do lots and lots of things. Especially love my journaling. So plenty for you to watch. Go and have a look. And if you're stuck for something to watch, I've got over 1,000 videos in my collection, going back well over I don't know if it's 5 or 6 years now. Go and have a look. I've got book folding, I've got flower making, I've made stick pins, I've done altered art, I've done journal making, I've made fabric books, I've done all sorts in my crafty time, so go and have a look. And normal service will resume shortly, although I most likely won't be doing my 5 or 6 videos a week. It will have to be restricted. It may well be 2 or 3. We shall see how my time goes, but at the moment just know that I'm very enthusiastic about my new job. I'm loving life to the max at the moment, and I'm loving this new trimmer. I do suggest getting yourself one because they really are really lovely to use. So that's a little bit of update about the trimmer, a little bit of update about me, so you know what's going on and where I am. And hopefully I'll see you very soon. Thanks for watching, take care, and I will be back soon. Bye for now.